Hey guys, we are here at Big Toys Green Country. Today we're looking at the all-new 24-volt Mini Drift Kart. This is a really unique drifting vehicle, and we're going to show you some of the cool features that are only available here at Big Toys Green Country. This drift kart is made on a high tensile steel frame, and the front end features 9-inch solid rubber tires that provide great grip and tight steering. The rear end features 11-inch heavy-duty HDPE wheels for superior drifting ability. Up here we have a racing-inspired cockpit with a steering wheel and foot pedal. And down here we have all the function switches. You have forward and reverse, high speed and low speed, and over here is a switch to turn the drift function on or off. With the drift mode in the off setting, you'll have a high speed of about 5.5 miles per hour. And this is a great safe feature for younger riders. But for the older kids, turn the drift mode on and you'll have a high speed of about 8.5 miles per hour and tons of drifting ability. One of the exclusive features here at Big Toys Green Country is the upgraded drive motors. And these create more power, more torque, and more fun for your child. So as you can see, the 24-volt Mini Drift Kart is a really cool one-of-a-kind toy that'll have your child drifting around the neighborhood. Be sure to go to bigtoysgreencountry.com to get yours now. Thank you for watching.